Hello viewers, I am Nasrin Srinivas. Today we are going to discuss about the Usman University Computer Application Subject syllabus. So in this course, we are having the 6 semesters. Under first semester, the core subjects DSC 101 Financial Accounting 1, DSC 102 Business Organization and Management, and DSC 103 Fundamentals of Information and Technology. Along with we are having the first language English and second languages are there, and AEC subjects environmental science and basic computer skills. You can choose any one. And come to the second semester, the core subjects are DSC 201 Financial Accounting 2, DSC 202 Business Laws, DSC 203 Programming C and C++, and along with these subjects, we are having English language, second language, and the AEC subjects, basic computer skills, environmental science. You can choose any one. And come to the third semester. Under third semester, the core subjects are DSC 301, Advanced Accounting, DSC 302, Business Statistics 1, DSC 303, Relational Database Management System. Along these subjects, as usual, we are having the first language English, second language, and sec number one communication skills, sec number professional skills, sec number two principles of insurance and fundamentals of digital marketing and web design. And come to the fourth semester. Under fourth semester, the basic course subjects are DSC 401 Income Tax, DSC 402 Business Starts, DSC 403 Web Technologies, and second language English are there. Sec number three leadership and management is there. Or you can choose universal human values. And say in sec number four, you can choose practice of life and general instance, or you can choose social media marketing search engine optimization and online advertising. Next, come to the semester number five. Here the core subjects are DSC 501 Cost Accounting, DSC 502 Computerized Accounting, DSC 503 Electronic Commerce. And you can choose under DSC Financial Planning and Performance, International Finance Reporting 1, and DSC 502 you can also choose Financial Decision Making and International Taxation and Regulations. DSC 503 Management Information System mobile application also. Next to come to the semester number 6. Compulsory paper is there, that is research methodology and project report. And DSC 601 is cost of control and management accounting. DSC 602 theory and practice of GST. DSC 603 cyber security. Also, you can choose for DSC 601 financial control, international finance and reporting, and DSC 602 financial decision making 2 international auditing, and DSC 603 multimedia systems, data analytics also. Thank you.